Hey guys, Matt from A to Z Diecast here again. I'm gonna open up a RLC, the 2004 Selections Custom Mustang Mach 1. Let's take this out of Protecto. Don't need that anymore. That can go on the Super. Nice, make it in view. It's a nice chrome orange. See the club car. There you go. New classic rims. The one thing I do not like about them, but what are you gonna do? It is number 1791 of 10,385. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, hit the car on that. That's gonna leave a mark. Oh well. Ooh, maybe not. It's inside another plastic. I forgot. There it is. Come on. Here we go. Pain in the ass. Okay. There's a better shot of it. Can you see that nice paint job? Spectra. Oh, look. There's my bald head. For those of you, there's a little glimpse of what I look like. Just the top of my head. Like Mr. Wilson from Tool Time. Let's see. Mach 1 Ford Mustang. Club car. Look at that detail. All metal. Made in China. Louvers is all the Mach 1s. What was that? Shaker hood. Let's forget. I think there's fuel pressure up there. Anyway, there it is. 2004 Selections Mach 1 club car. Just over 10,000 made. One less in the package. Of course, like most Hot Wheels. Rolls really good. If you're those people that do race them. This is nice and heavy and moves pretty fast. Anyway, don't forget to like us, share, share, and subscribe. Peace out.